How to use AI to improve your business English in 2025 and why you still need a tutor. Can AI teach you business English in 2025? Absolutely, but not completely. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to improve your business English fast and why even in 2025, you still need a human tutor to reach fluency with confidence. You'll learn how to use AI for writing and speaking, what AI can't help you with, the perfect way to combine AI plus real teaching to save time and level up fast. Welcome back to Tech English Pro. This is the channel where we take bite-sized, real-world English tips and turn them into confidence, clarity, and results, especially for tech and business professionals like you. I've been helping business professionals improve their business English for the past 7 years, so stick around and let's get started. How AI can help you improve your English. AI is getting smarter, and if you know how to use it, it can boost your English fast. Here's how. For writing, use ChatGPT or Grammarly to correct grammar, rephrase awkward sentences, or polish business emails. For example, you write, "I want to discuss problem." AI corrects it to say, "I'd like to discuss the issue in more detail." For speaking, apps like ELSA Speak or Youglish help you hear pronunciation and practice fluency. AI can give you instant feedback anytime, anywhere. So yes, AI can be your 24/7 study partner. But here's the problem. What AI can't do and why you still need a tutor. AI can't understand context the way a human does. Here's what it struggles with: giving personalized advice based on your background and goals, understanding tone, emotion, or cultural nuance in business conversations, helping you with real-time speaking confidence during meetings or presentations. That's where a tutor, someone who knows your level, industry, and goals, becomes invaluable. They can say, "That's grammatically correct," but a native speaker wouldn't say it that way. Or, "You're using too much filler. Try this instead." How to combine AI plus tutoring for fast progress. Think of it like this. Use AI for practical grammar, checking emails, rephrasing messages or presentation drafts, and you can use a tutor for speaking practice, business negotiation phrases, feedback on tone, fluency, and confidence. This combination is the fastest way to improve your English, especially in a professional environment. Final thoughts and action plan. Let's recap. Use AI to build speed and practice daily. use a tutor to refine your message, tone, and fluency. Combine both, and your business English will grow faster than ever. If you're serious about communicating clearly in meetings, interviews, and global teamwork, you need more than perfect grammar. You need real-world skills. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you've ever tried AI tools, and tell me what helped you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized business English tips every week.